Hello, auntie, uncle. Magimilay mahatag sa inyo. So, namilay gamay nga ikadalit nga gift para sa imo. So, Monica na akong ginedit. I hope you like it.
Ging, happy birthday kay nainihigayon na imo magigining adlaw nga tawan. Kung pinagi ka namong tanan, salamat kayo sa mga kayuhan, mga grasya nga among nadawat usab kandikan kanimo Lord God.
Gikan sa among mga anak din, among ipaabot kanimo ang among mainiton o may mayaon nga birthday greetings kanimo karong adlaw.
O karon niya among gamay nga dalit, bisan og kulang kami, wala prepare. Bisan og gamay ra kami, papan inumdumi nga kinasing-kasing gani among pagdalit kani sa awit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. May you have all the blessings the rest of your life.
Ante, may you have all the happiness your heart can ever hold. We wish you joy and happiness, good health, more blessings to come.
Good health.
Good health always and more birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come.
Good health, more blessings, happy family, good environment.
Continued blessings and lots of love. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gingging.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gingging.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gingging.
We love you. We love you. Love you.
God bless, take care.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie.